how to see who follows you on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see who follows you on Snapchat. So if you're wondering who is following you and your public profile or subscribed to your content, well, this guide is for you. So now without further ado, let's get started. But before starting anything, let me tell you that on Snapchat you can only see followers if you have a public profile. And here, if you don't have a public profile, people can only add you as a friend and won't see followers separately. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, simply open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the Bitmoji or the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just look under your name and there you'll see the option labeled as public profile. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you're inside your public profile, there you'll see your subscriber count under your name. So there you can just tap on subscriber number and there you'll be able to see the list of people who follow you. And with that being said, sometimes Snapchat only shows the number of subscribers, not the full list. So this depends on your account settings and privacy setup as well. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.